Do you remember Krish? Yes, Hrithik Roshan with the mask in Krish. He was a normal man, but suddenly he became a superhero. And then he was doing wonders. And he never took any holiday. Can you feel how he did it? This is known as identity shift. Because when you take some identity, when you start something, when you feel that you want to do it, you start and you have that courage in yourself that you make it to a point that I'm going to finish it. Your identity shifts. Once you start feeling like the one which you want to be, the ideal self, not the real self, you shift. Your self-efficacy shift. Your self-identity shift. And that identity shift makes lots of changes in your life.